Hey, what is up Sobat Plastik? Kembali lagi di channel Dr. Plastik and welcome to another SH Figures review. Dan kali ini kita akan review yang satu ini. SH Figures Kamen Rider Build Rabbit Form, tentunya dari serial Kamen Rider favorite gue, Kamen Rider Build. Seperti yang kalian lihat, box coklatnya nggak jauh beda sama box coklat sebelumnya dari SHF Cross. This time with a blue tape sealing the box. Let's see if I can remove this tape without damaging the box too much. There you go. Di bagian depannya yang beda pasti tulisannya Kamen Rider Build Rabbit Form. Di bagian belakang juga sama, cuma tulisannya dalam katakana. Everything else is exactly the same as before. Jadi langsung aja kita buka boxnya ya. So here's the actual box itself, looking damn good in all those red colors, and this time is perfectly sealed at both sides. Format boxnya sendiri sama aja seperti SHF Cross ya. Di bagian depan ada foto close-up SHF-nya, inisial RR, which mean Rabbit Form, tulisan Kamen Rider Build Rabbit Form, and a bunch of logos exactly the same as Cross box. Yang baru gue notice di sini ada stiker hologram di bagian kanan atas, isi tulisan Tamashii Nation, yang nggak ada di boxnya Cross. Jangan-jangan sebenarnya SHF Cross gue itu sebenarnya KW ya? Kalau kalian ada yang tahu, tolong komen di bawah ya. Di bagian samping kanan, kiri, belakang, atas, sama bawah, kurang lebih sama aja kayak boxnya Cross. Nggak ada yang terlalu menarik, jadi gue nggak usah bahas lagi ya. Anyway, let's just bust it open. So here is the blister packaging straight out of the box, but first let's take a quick look at the manual instruction to see what we get inside. Di sini kelihatan kita dapat beberapa pasang tangan yang gue lihat ada satu tangan yang beda dari SHF Cross. Nanti kita lihat lebih detail. Kemudian ada gimmick-gimmick dari beltnya, peringatan untuk beberapa bagian yang tajam di kepalanya, kemudian tentang senjatanya yaitu Full Bottle Buster. Well, enough with the manual and let's get to the action figure itself. Kali ini juga nggak seperti waktu unboxing Cross, masih ada plastik pelindungnya. Ini tandanya benar-benar baru aja di unbox nih figurnya ya. Nah, jadi ini dia penampakan pertama SHF-nya baru keluar dari boxnya. Pertama, biar gue lepas dulu plastik pelindungnya, ada satu di bagian hazard trigger, di balik beltnya, terus di bagian chest piece-nya. Secara overall, emang ganteng banget ini SHF ya. Warna merahnya ngejreng banget. Dari jauh aja ngelihat pasti langsung menarik perhatian ini. Bentuk dan proporsinya juga akurat sama aslinya. Terus yang paling gue suka itu mukanya. Keren lah pokoknya. Gue sukanya rider-rider di Kamen Rider Build ini karena desain mukanya banyak elemen sharp-nya gitu. Jadi kelihatan lebih garang menurut gue. Tapi perlu hati-hati sama bagian-bagian yang tajam seperti ini. It could easily break, or it could hurt you. Bagian chest armor-nya lebih simetris dibandingkan basic form-nya dengan logo build warna emas. Terus lanjut kita lihat detail belt-nya yang sebagian besar sama seperti belt-nya Cross. Cuma kali ini pakai full bottle rabbit tank, which in this case is in rabbit mode, jadi warnanya merah. Kemudian ada hazard trigger-nya. Let's see if I can pull this out. Nope, it will stay right there. Then what about the full bottle part? It does say removable in the manual, but I think we will need some kind of tool, maybe a tweezer to pull it apart. But that's just too much effort, so I'll leave it at that. Untungnya kali ini pen-nya lumayan rapi dan gue nggak nemu ada cacat atau pen transfer seperti yang ada di Cross. And here is SHF Kamen Rider Build Rabbit Form with everything that it comes with. Pertama-tama kita akan lihat satu-satunya senjata yang kita dapetin di sini, yaitu Full Bottle Buster. Ini detailnya keren banget menurut gue. Terbagi utamanya warna merah sama hitam, Ada beberapa detail warna silver dan bagian blade-nya itu menggunakan clear yellow part. That is pretty neat. It got two handles, one here and one at the opposite side of the blade, so you can pose it with two hands. Dan nggak cuma itu, full bottle busternya ini ada gimmick untuk switch dari sword mode ke gun mode. Cukup dengan diputar di bagian handle-nya seperti ini. Dan saat kita switch ke gun mode akan kebuka slot buat masukin full bottle ke dalamnya untuk finisher attack. Kita bisa masukin full bottle rabbit tank yang kita dapat di sini atau masukin full bottle biasa, misalnya yang dragon atau kalau punya yang lain. Bebas lah pokoknya. Dan full bottle-nya itu stabil di dalamnya, nggak akan geser-geser walaupun digoyang keras kayak gini. So it's kinda convenient that you don't have to switch the whole weapon, just like one of my SHF Gain Kachidoki arms. But on the other hand, you get more accessories so you can pose it with both sword and gun mode at the same time. I will throw a picture of it so you can see what I mean. Next, kita dapat 4 pasang tangan. Yang pertama itu adalah tangan mengepal yang sudah terpasang di SHF-nya. Yang kedua, open expressive hand. Yang ketiga, open relax hand. Dan yang terakhir, weapon holding hand. The weapon is attached just by sliding it in such way to either right or left hand. Kemudian tangannya tinggal kalian tukar-tukar sesuai dengan pose yang kalian mau buat. Selain 4 pasang tangan tadi, kita juga dapat tangan kanan untuk pegang crank di beltnya sama kayak yang di SHF Cross. Dan satu lagi yang beda itu tangan kanan untuk signature pose dari Kamen Rider build, tapi kayaknya nggak pernah pose kayak begitu waktu Rabbit form. Cuman form basic aja waktu pas episode 1. So let's move on to the articulation and as usual, starting from the head down. The neck is using double joints so it can do some giggity goo. The head can look up and down that far, tilt side to side that much, and rotate all the way around, no problem. The shoulder has this pulling outward mechanism to give some more room for articulation. The shoulder armor is on ball joint and can move independently ever so slightly. Unfortunately, the arm raise is almost next to nothing because it is blocked by the shoulder armor. That's a bit sad. The arm can rotate 360 degrees on the shoulder and also at the bicep. The elbow band is just a little bit more than 90 degrees. Not the greatest elbow bands I've ever seen, but I think this much is mostly the case in SH figures. The wrist is on ball joint, so it does exactly what the ball joint does. Not much of an head crunch because of the design of the chest armor, though it does extend backward a little bit more. This little flappy in the chest armor can move out of the way slightly, but that doesn't help that much in the head crunch. The torso can rock side to side that much, pretty standard I'd say. And it does rotate all the way around at the waist. This scarf-like thing at the back can move up and down, rotate 360 degrees at the base, and swivel outward and inward like so. The leg can kick up to the front that far. Pretty impressive. And to the back, not all that much, getting blocked by the butt right there. And this is as close as it can get to being at full side split. There's some rotation inward and outward at the base of the thighs, not all the way around, but I think this one is better than cross. The knee is double jointed and can bend that far. And look at the knee pad is moving along as you bend the knee. There are not much going on in the ankle, just a little bit forward and backward movement, pivot side to side, and also it does bend at the toe, but once again, it's really not much. Okay, that is it for the review, and I'm really completely blown away by this action figure. Secara visual, udah nggak perlu ditanya lagi ya. I love this so much. Proporsinya pas, build quality-nya mantap, nggak kaku tapi nggak letoy juga. Dan warna metallic red-nya itu. If you have watched my previous video, you must know how much I love red. Tapi bukan berarti SHF ini sempurna tanpa cacat ya. Ada beberapa aspek kelemahan terutama di bagian artikulasinya di beberapa titik. Tapi masih bisalah buat pose yang cukup dinamik. As always, thanks for sticking around until the end, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you for another review.